Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this UAG product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to UAG for sending the Pathfinder case for the new Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. And folks, this is a tough, bold case. I don't know how many of the Pathfinder cases I've reviewed over the years from UAG, but I'm going to tell you, man, you're going to definitely get protection for your investment. We got some information on the front there, which is going to be the same information on the back. So I'm going to read everything on the back. Got to adjust my glasses there. Validated through rigorous military drop test standards, feather-like composite construction, built-in magnet compatible with pixel snap and magnet accessories, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip. Case is made from 25 to 50% recycled materials. So without further ado, let's do this. Open up the UAG drawer, pull out the case, put that over to the side, and bam, UAG brand name. Got the magnetic ring there for your MagSafe accessories. That's actually a hexagon. You can see the Pathfinder name at the bottom of the case. Cutouts for a lanyard if you want to sport that on the right, left, depending on how you hold the case, right, left. For those of you that can't hold on to your smartphones, please think about purchasing a lanyard and utilizing those cutouts. Got some traction grip there. Your buttons are going to be covered up. Power button, volume rocker. On the other side, traction grip. Yeah, I'm digging that. A lot of corner protection. Those corners are coming out to absorb shock. On the inside, nice, grippy texture. The honeycomb design, all of that perfectly designed to protect the back of your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. You are going to have corner pockets, all four corners. Got some flex. Yeah, that's a solid case. Recessed area there for the earpiece and speaker. Up top, cut out for the top mic. At the bottom, and the cutouts for the lanyards. And yeah, you can sport two of them if you want. Speaker cutout and mic cutout and USB Type-C charging port cutout there. Yeah, that is really nice. Get a closer look at that area. Look at that. That gold peeking through there looks really nice. Plenty of lip surrounding the flat LTPO AMOLED display. Nice. Plenty of lip. Tempered glass screen protector from Rinky, the Easy Slide. Hey, I like the way that pink salmon is peeking through there. Yeah, that is nice. Really nice. Huh? Well, that's what I'm calling it, pink salmon. Forgot the actual name. Canyon. Pink salmon sounds better than canyon. Anyway, it looks good. A little extra some going on there. Again, plenty of grip. Plenty of lip. Cutouts are perfect. Buttons. Nice. Yeah, everything working the way it's supposed to. Look at that. That's a lot of protection back there. Built to perfection. Got some lip and depth surrounding the cameras. I would definitely invest in a camera glass protector. That's a lot of glass there, man. And for some of you, I know you have issues holding on to your smartphones. Yeah, that's the newest design on the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. As far as the device itself, That's a major difference compared to last year with the 10 Pro XL. If you're going to be a little rough with your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, I would definitely sport that protection. When just sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. But anything rougher than that, yeah, glass protector on the front as well. So yeah, whether you're sitting down like that or like that, it's all about using your discretion. All right, it's magnet for MagSafe. Charging definitely works, but I want to test out the magnetic strength. I like to show you, the viewer, the consumer, that this case is not going to have a weak magnetic ring, that your MagSafe accessories aren't going to easily fall away from the back part of the case. So I run a couple little tests here, the shake, the spin, and just let you know you're getting a really strong magnetic attraction back there. I have this new desk mat here, and we're gonna check out how that works. Boom, just like that. Look at that. I'll leave a link for this desk mat. It's from a company called Journey. Really, really nice. Getting used to using it. It's a really nice desk mat, and it's great for my smartphones. Again, it comes with this charging pad here, which is really neat, and it's got an area to charge over here. It's really hard to see, but for my earbuds. But I love the fact that I can use that in these case reviews outside of this guy here. So anyway, any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase in the description area. UAG, thank you so much for the opportunity. It's a solid case, man. Solid case. Built to perfection to protect your investment, folks. You just got to hold on. There's plenty of grip. Cannot go wrong. That is really nice. That is really nice. Like that. Boom, look at that. That is nice. That's my thumbnail. All right, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, I'm out. Peace.